Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to publish a Google AI Studio app to the Play Store. First, open the Google AI Studio website on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account so you can access all your apps. From the left-hand menu, click on your apps to see the full list of apps you have created. Now, select the app you want to publish. For example, click on Copy of Luminary Crypto Intelligence. Once the app page opens, you can either click the download icon in the top right corner to save the app files locally, or click the share icon to copy the app URL directly. Copy the URL carefully as you will need it for the next step. Next, open a new browser tab and search for appmyweb.net. Once you are on the platform, click on Get Started for free. You may be prompted to sign in with your Google account and continue. Once logged in, click on the plus icon on the left-hand menu to create a new app. Here, you need to enter your app name, which will be displayed on devices once installed. Then, paste the URL you copied from Google AI Studio into the appropriate field. This URL will link your web app to the mobile wrapper AppMyWeb creates. Next, customize your app by selecting the theme color and tilt color. These colors control the main app interface and accent visuals, giving it a unique look. After that, choose a layout template from the available options to determine how your app screen will appear. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Now, carefully review the main app information, including the app ID, screen orientation, portrait or landscape, app language, and admin email. Make sure all the information is correct because it will be visible in the Play Store listing and used for app management. To unlock the publishing feature, you will need a paid plan. AppMyWeb offers three options: Starter monthly at $39, Pro monthly at $69, and a Premium monthly at $99. Review the features included each plan and select the one that suits your app's need. Then complete the payment process. After selecting the plan, click on Run Review. This opens a live preview of your app, simulating how it will appear on your mobile devices. Check all screens, buttons, and functionality to ensure everything works as expected before publishing. Now, open a new tab and search for App Store. Click on the official Apple App Store website. Here, click on Developing for the App Store from the top right corner. This will take you to the Apple Developer Portal, where you can register as a developer, manage your apps, and access all the tools needed to publish your app on iOS. Make sure you have your Apple ID ready, as you will need it to enroll in the Apple Developer Program. Next, in the new tab, search for Setup App Store Connect. Check the first link. This page guides you through creating your App Store Connect account, which is necessary to submit your app. Scroll down and click Learn More under the Submit section. Here, you can read detailed instructions about uploading your app, setting app metadata, preparing screenshots, and submitting it for review. Make sure your app meets Apple's guidelines before submission. Now, in another tab, search for Play Store Developer Account. Click the first link to go to the Google Play Console. Here, you can create a Google Play developer account to publish Android apps. You will need to provide your organization type, your name or company details, and pay a one-time registration fee of $25. After completing these steps, you will be able to upload your app, fill in all required store listing details, and submit it to Google for review and publishing. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.